Don't mind my my morning dew, okay? Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Today, we're going to Michigan. Flying to Michigan for work. Yeah, today's just literally gonna be a big all-around travel day. I'm not really doing anything today. Tomorrow is when the event starts. That's all happening at 2:30. And then it ends at Sunday at 9 p.m. And I fly out on Monday to come back here. Big weekend. This is a SDA competition, so it's one of the bigger events, which is crazy. But it also means that there's more stress because, you know, they go at a faster pace. Is what I've noticed, at least, because, you know, SDA, they know they're on top of their stuff, you know. My flight leaves at like 3:50. I get in at around like 6:30, and then I have an hour and a half to drive to my hotel. I have to check 2 bags. I have 2 laptops. Everyone in security is gonna hate me. However, it is a beautiful day here in Philly. We get to open the windows now, which is super calming and relaxing. I love when the windows are open because you can just hear all the noises, all the sounds, the ambient wind hustling noise. I love that. I love spring because it's on like the up cusp. All right, if you are a returning person here, you already know what #1 thing to do that I do in my day is go work out. So I'm gonna go get ready for the gym and go work out, and I'll meet you guys back here. It's kind of cold out here, honestly. I feel like one of the worst things is like waiting on a flight. Like, I don't know, it's always the anticipation for me that like freaks me out. Rose, do you wanna come out? Like, I always have to like wait to like go to the airport, you know, start my job, things like that. Like the waiting is what I think kills me the most, because I'm an overthinker. I overthink everything. I overthink everything to the point where it makes me sick. It's just annoying. I love how I can come out here and like enjoy the view, you know, be outside for a second. I love this balcony. This is like one of my favorite things about this apartment, besides the view, is the balcony. Because like now, you know, it's getting warmer, we get to enjoy the balcony and the sunsets, and you know, it's really nice. You like it, Rose? Yeah. So yeah, I'm just enjoying it. I also try to think of it as like, if anything goes wrong with your trip, with, you know, your job, anything, like it's hard to carry the perspective of this moment is preparing me for something that's going to be amazing in the future, right? Something is happening to me right now because something in the future is going to happen, and this right now is preparing me for that, you know? It's like flipping that mindset where instead of why is this happening, you know, to me, it's happening for me, right? I just have to go straight through it. There's no way around it. You just have to go through it, and then the next time you'll be even more prepared you'll be better equipped to deal with that situation. So that's how I try to look at. Okay, the fact that I have to roll up. Hang on. This is how I'm gonna roll up in the airport. Wait for it. Let's just do a little role play here. Oh wait, and then this is gonna be on me as well, because they secretly, this is gonna go under my shirt so they can't tell that I have a third carry-on. Hi, yes, can I please, I have two things. I already prepaid for them. You want me to go over there? Okay. That's what it's gonna be like. How do I even get into the Uber with all of this stuff? Ow, it just drops on my foot. Ow. Hi, I'm here to pick up, and he's gonna like reach for the bag, and like he's gonna pull up this 80-pound nightmare, and I weighed it, it's actually 80 pounds. He's gonna be like, okay, and then he'll just take this one. The elevator is gonna be the issue. Getting into this elevator in my apartment. Lugging this alone into the elevator is already a nightmare. Also, this backpack is already making my arm numb, so living the dream. And the crazy thing is I asked for a video travel job and I got it, but it's a lot of stuff. I'm freaking out because I'm nervous. Why? Because I'm flying in the air, and I'm also going to Michigan, and I have to find out where all of the airport stuff is, the rental car, the food. This is so fun. Gotta love TSA when I have nothing on me. I gotta get patted down by a man. Anyways, let's go to the gate. 14. I might be taking a tiny plane. Never been on one of these before. Hi, good. Oh wow, very tight.
Pocket, okay? All phone calls must be ended at this time because they are loading up their information in the front. We don't want anything back here interfering with what they got going on up there. If you have a tablet with a detachable keyboard, this is one thing that it makes no sense to me. I don't know why it has to be detached, but it does. I don't know why. So that's one thing I don't understand. Tray tables must be up as well, because in case of an emergency, you nor the person next to you will be able to get out if that tray table is down. So I just wanted to give you kind of a little bit of a reasoning of why these things are the way they are. So when I do a compliance check this time, everyone will be compliant because I don't like pointing people out. Thank you so much for your cooperation.
Bruh. This looks fire. Alright, can I go find the bags? Get the rental car, you know, all the things. Okay, all my stuff. The lady said I needed to go up over the walkway into the parking lot. It's kind of just like Chicago, so Let's try and do this. I'm about to ask some people to. All right, so there's a shuttle to go to the rental car place. Now we just wait. I think the shuttle's just left, honestly, too. But it's fine. We're just out here. I'm about to eat some more of my food. I was stressed. Well, they said go shopping, so got myself a little Toyota RAV4. And it's like, it's blacked out, it's shiny. Yeah, I couldn't find any like cool cars, so I just decided to get the black reliable, you know. I know. Here we go. Traveling with that, it's a mess. Okay. Alright, let's go check out and yeah. Oh wow, it smells like new car in here. Look at this. Ugh. Shiny. My backpack is so heavy it thinks it's another person, so I have to put it on the ground. Oh. Smells like nice car, new car. It smells like, I don't have sunglasses, but so I gotta drive to the exit and then I gotta give my driver's license. Okay, I don't know how to do any of this, but doing it. The bass though. And it got me directions. Oh, I love it, I love it.
Turn right onto Lucas Drive.
Well, I have arrived in Detroit, Michigan, somewhere in Oxford. If you want to know if the city is booming, that trailer park is, okay? All right, let's go. Let's go get the room. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, this is nice. Wow, okay. Hang on. Me. Wow, this is such a nice place. Wait, I got a whole couch. What? Yo, this is the sickest hotel room I've been in, actually. Oh my gosh. Dude. Look at this bathroom situation. Oh my gosh, that's such a huge shower. And the sink. Yo, this is dead nice. King size bed, just for me. But no, I like this little like lounge area. And then this, tea. I love it. This is great. I'm gonna put you on top of the lamp. The lamp is now holding everything. Okay. I'm going to finish eating my dinner. Also, so I did Emerald National like rental cars instead of Enterprise because it's like cheaper. They said pick out a car, you know, whatever, and I was like, okay, but like what's the one that I like signed up for? Like they gave me a huge lot to pick from and I was like, I picked a standard car, then I have a RAV4, so I don't know if they upgraded me or what's happening with that. Like I don't know if they're gonna charge me more or like I don't know what's happening. Anyways, I'm gonna call my girlfriend and eat my food. Okay. Okay, so I wanted to go check out the situation. And maybe if there was a hot tub, go in the hot tub. But there isn't a hot tub. Just a pool with a little girl swimming in it, and the pool is about the size of a hot tub. That's kind of about the options. I want to take a hot shower. Something. I'm so stoked though, because I literally have a full-on, I could literally sleep on this if I wanted to. Like, I mean, this is pretty comfy. Like, if somebody else was here, they would sleep on the couch and, you know, but like, this is a sleepable couch, you know what I mean? Anyways, I already laid out all my clothes so that I could just wake up in the morning, put them on, and just dip. I have to buy breakfast because this breakfast on the weekends only starts at 7 a.m. and I have to be at the venue at 7 a.m. and it is a 21-minute drive, so I have to get myself some breakfast. But I can't get myself breakfast. You want to know why I can't get myself breakfast? Because the company card doesn't have enough money on it. So we're in a little bit of predicament, but I'm gonna sleep on it. Hopefully they send me the funds overnight. Snip, snap, chip, chap. Okay, I'm gonna get in the shower. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm sorry, this is not a collective thing. It's just kind of a me thing. So I also would like you to know that I'm missing a pair of socks. Like, I don't have enough socks. So what I'm thinking of doing is washing the ones that I'm wearing so that they have enough time to dry over like 3 days, so I can have socks for Monday when I fly home. I didn't math it right. Oh boy, what am I gonna do? Oh. So I literally put my work pants on because I didn't bring jammies. The shirt is Monday's shirt. Listen, they say pack light, right? Because your gear is what's the most important thing. Boy, did I pack light. I'm having a grand time. You know, my credit card got declined. I don't have jammies or socks, but hey, we got a nice hotel room and a nice car that gives us directions that we can see it, so I don't have to hold my phone up while I'm driving. So there's a bright side to everything. I'm about to just go to bed. I'm kind of tired, honestly.